If you have doubts in me or doubts about my ministry, I cannot argue with you. Because people like you who don't believe, I cannot convince you if you don't believe. But if you have a soul and you want to know the truth, I don't have to justify myself to you. Just ask the Father Almighty. He said, ask and it shall be given. Seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be open unto you. Ask the Father about me. Simple. You just pray and ask, who is Pastor Apollo Kibuloy? To the Father. Because he was the one who made me an appointed son. It's not you who made me an appointed son. It's him. So, no one knows the Son. Even you don't know me. But the Father. So if you want to know the Son, ask the Father. If you want to know the Father, ask me.